All right, let's get started. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Anand Bora, Customer Success Account Manager. I'll be presenting the webinar today on the topic of powering the future of automotive industry with comprehensive simulation solutions. Today, we'll be looking at opportunities in EV and battery manufacturing, introduction to potting, and a few lightweight strategies to reduce uh, the vehicle weight overall and thereby increasing the mileage. And that will be including sheet metal compound SMCs, integration of Moldex 3D with LS Dyna, Digimat, and Mark, and then reviewing gas assist, water assist, injection molding, and also foaming. We'll touch base on the physical one this time, physical foaming using MuSub. Opportunities in EV. There are a lot of plastic components in the automotive vehicle. In the battery, uh, the same situation. There's enough plastic components, and newer technologies are coming in, and they need to be simulated. The one such process, there is the potting that we'll be talking about and introducing. There's opportunities for lightweighting in using RTM, long fiber composites, and so on. The EV or the battery simulations can be done at wafer levels, component levels, board levels, and also at the system level. Now, looking at the challenges and the benefits of simulation of potting in the auto industry, and then we'll deep dive into understanding what exactly is this process and how do we go about simulating it. Automotive electronics needs to comply with stringent requirements. You've seen that the batteries, especially, uh, there's a lot of thermal issues with the batteries and compact, like manufacturing of the batteries itself, or compacting or composing the battery components inside a small volume, as well as weight reductions, are all interesting challenges that this battery manufacturing and automotive components in general have, reducing curing deformation and also